10 years ago, I made a choice. The choice of joining the nuclear industry. And since then, I have never looked back. The world of nuclear is an absolutely fascinating industry. Cyclife UK has two main areas, business areas. We've got the decommissioning and the waste treatment, which is the metal recycling facility where we are today. We receive metal waste here, which is from big metallic items to all the various metal bits that come from the industry, and treat them so that we can decontaminate them or even size reduce them, volume reduce them. More than 90% of the treatable metal that is received in the facility is then released back into the market. This is why we can really talk about circular economy. My particular job is non-destructive assay. So this is taking non-destructive measurements so they don't damage whatever you're measuring. It could be waste packages, it could be buildings, floors, land, anything you want to characterize using our detectors. From that, we can analyze the data and come up with an inventory assessment, which is crucial for waste management. So the data analysis, just the physics or how the detectors work, how our instruments work, and what information you can get out of them, to me is fascinating and it's so interesting. Problem solving and solving challenges is definitely a driver in my life and in my job. When we get a challenge, we never really solve it on our own. It's always a discussion, and then we come up with ideas, we brainstorm, and we come up with a solution that works. Coming up with solutions to challenges is the best part of the job, is why I come to work every day and why I love it. Every day I'm excited to go to work. I know that it's going to be a different day and a different challenge, and there's going to be parts of the jobs that are pure data analysis in front of the computer, but I also know that I might get to go out to a site, and it's this diversity of the role that I really thrive on. I wouldn't have been able to just have a technical role. The creative part is very important to me, because you need to have creative solutions to think outside the box. It can be considered art. It's what makes it fun, it's what makes it interesting, and it's what makes it challenging. With this role, I found the absolute perfect balance to combine the creative side and the very technical scientific side. So it marries really well, and it's a perfect position for me. I think I'm in the ideal job. I definitely won't quit my job. My name is Vittoria Baldioli, and I've been working as a principal consultant at Cyclife UK for the past 5 years.